Welcome back to our IT class. Today we are going to watch the video for the second activity, that is changing the background of an image. For doing that, here we have to open the software GIMP. To open GIMP, create a canvas here, file, new, then in the open the window, the width and height of the canvas is there, click on OK. Then open the picture. To open the picture, click on file menu, then open, home folder, school resources, standard 9, images. Okay, from this the specified picture is ILO logo.png, then open. Here the background color of the picture is blue and we have to change the background color, so click on the foreground background tool and select a color. Okay. Click on OK. Then apply this color to the canvas. For applying this color, bucket fill tool is using, because to apply a single color, bucket fill tool is the suitable tool. Blend tool is using for applying gradient color. Note down the difference, okay, between these two tools. So click on the bucket fill tool, then click on the canvas. Then the next is creating a layer. We learned the feature of, one of the important feature of GIMP is layer facility. From the previous class we have learned, and here we can create a layer. So click on Windows, dockable dialogs, then layers. Here layer window is available. The properties of the layer windows, you see, I symbol is there, then a new, that is to create a new layer, then to take a duplicate layer, then anchor layer, then delete. These are the different properties of a layer window. Create a new layer, click on the new option, then give the layer name as image. Always you give the layer name suitable to the work. Okay, then here image is the layer name, then OK. A new layer is appeared, new layer appeared here. Then let us copy the picture to the canvas. How will you copy the picture? Here to copy the picture, use the tool select by color, because we need to copy the picture with its color. For that we can use a single colored picture only, means a complete, an image completely filled by a single color only we can select. Then only we can select the color with select by color tool. Select regions with similar color. That is the use of the select by color tool. Then click on the select by color tool and click on the image. Then the image is appeared as selected. The selection mark is appeared. Then we have to copy this selected image to the canvas. So edit from the image window, click on edit menu, then copy and come to the canvas window, then edit menu, paste. Here the shortcut options also or shortcut menus also you have to learn. Control V is the shortcut for paste, then copy, Control C, then Control X, cut, etc. Okay, then paste it or paste, use Control V. The logo is appeared in the canvas. Okay, just use the move tool and click and move it to down, then use the scale tool and click on the image, then click and drag, then increase the size, then click on the scale. Now the selection mark is here. That means the floating layer is that one. After removing the selection only we can work with another layer. Means the active layer we have to paste. So use the option, click on anchor layer. Then the layer is pasted. And the next is the logo or caption, that is anti-child labor day is the caption given here. Here one thing you have to note down that if we are using text tool for creating the caption, no need to create a layer, it will create automatically. So click on the text tool, then click on the canvas. See, the properties of the text tool is available now. The letter type, letter size and bold, italic, underline, then strike through and font color also. Here the font color and the background color is the same. We cannot identify the letters. So click on the font color and change the color. Then select another color. Okay. Here a small box is here. In this small box we have to type the caption, not in the properties window. Okay, then click on the box, then type here anti-child labor day. April 30th. Then after that, don't want to confused, you click on the scale tool. After typing the text, directly go to the text tool and click on the text. Then you can drag and increase the size of the letter or size of the text. Then click on the scale option. Okay, and each child labor day April 30th. Now you see the layer window. Here a new layer is appeared, that is Handy Child Labor Day April 30th, with the text what we had written in the canvas. That is the layer name here. That is automatically created. Understood? Then this is the work we have to do. Then after that, let us export the file, or we have to save the file. If we are saving the file, it should be in the XCF format, and if we have to save the file with another format, that is PNG or JPG, then we should export it. Both the difference you have to note down. If we save the file, it should be in the XCF format, and we need the file with another format, that is PNG or JPG, then you should export it. File, export as. Here the file name as changing background. Changing background.png, and should be saved in the folder students work 9. Okay. Then click on save export option. The format, if you need in the PNG format, that format is with file name, and if you need the format as JPG or JPG, then you should click on the all export images and select JPG. Here is the JPG image. Okay, JPG, and should be write it with JPG. Now I am selecting the all images only, all export images. Okay, then click on export. Then export. File is exported into the PNG format.